Hello everybody. Today let me introduce a patent protected innovative humidifier. There are two different designs. This one is horizontal. This one is horizontal wind. This one is vertical wind. You can adjust the wind direction by adjusting here. Left and the right. Now let's have a look for the design one by one. The vertical, this one. Let's have a look. This is the water tank. Now let's have a look for the horizontal one. Horizontal. Now let's introduce the unique features one by one. The first one is one piece design. You can pick it up by single finger and move it very easily and very conveniently. Now let's compare it with two very classical humidifier. Wait a moment, please. Let me pick it up. Oh, not pick it up. Oh my God. I think this one, everybody should be very familiar with this design. This one is three parts. The first one, and this is the water tank. Obviously, you cannot pick it up. You cannot lift it up by single hand. You must lift by two hands, just like this. For this one, you can feel in the water. Here is like here, from this side. Oh, too tight. Oh, sorry, too tight. I cannot open the lid. The second one is also very classical. This one is two parts. Obviously, you cannot lift it up by single hand. This one is with top filling water. This is a very public and a very popular design with top filling water tank. Obviously, if the water tank is falling down, all the water inside the water tank will leak on the floor. Okay. The second unique features is that this one is top filling. You can fill in the water here. Just open the lid. Then you can fill in the water here. Let's have a look. Fill in the water here. The first unique feature is that the water tank is top filling and the water won't leak. Even the water tank is falling down. And what's more, even the whole humidifier falling down, only one special side falling down, then the water will leak up to 50 milliliters. Wait a moment, please. Okay, let's lock it. Let's have a look. Falling down. You can have a look. No water leaking. only falling down this side. Pay attention to this side. Then the water will leak. Now, no leak. But when you lift it up from the lid, then the water will leak up to 50 milliliters. Now, no water leak anymore. The third unique features is the fog spreading range. For all the people who have used the traditional and the classical humidifier, you will know for all the other classical humidifier, the fog spreading range is very, very short. We have tested more than 100 different brands and more than 100 different models. All the humidifiers we find the fog spreading range less than 0.75 meters. For this vertical one, if you use this as the humidifier, you can change the wind selection. The fog can spread from the minimum distance is 1.2 meters. The max is 3 meters. This is the vertical one. For the horizontal, for this design, for the horizontal one, if you use it as the humidifier, at the moment, let's have a look. The fog now. If you use the horizontal one, this one, the minimum fog spreading range is 1.7 meters up to 5 meters. We tested for a room around 15 square meters. But this humidifier, you can humidify the air from 30% to 60% within 5 minutes. Okay, thanks for your watching.